Everyone, today yesterday I have no, I think last week I have achieved building barrack, the barrack number 1 that I showed you, the second barrack that is like the thingy, and then the third one is the astronaut. Now I have a bigger one that is like super big, and I think it's like super cool, and then the thing is like this much high. So I'm gonna show you. Here, this is a rabbit Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton.
This has 11,677 pieces, and this is about 57 centimeters. That is like so big, like this high, I think. So
why do you choose Louis Vuitton rabbit? Why?
Because it is because you love it.
Okay, thank you.
Now I'm gonna like it. It is bigger than my pillow. Like right here. Yeah. This is even bigger than this one. Even bigger than the box. Twice the box. So it is even bigger than this pillow. It has to be like this.
Oh.
This. So now I'm gonna open it and see what is inside. There's letters. Oh my God! This is Hammer, the greatest hammer. Let me see. Hammer. But this thing up. It was this hammer. And it was like this level up. Oh my God.
Wow.
There's so much. It's a light.
Oh, light. This light.
Now, this is so much.
Wow.
My dad's gonna help me this. I don't know. Can you help me?
No.
This is so much. I'm gonna build this in 10 days.
10 days.
Or 1 month.
1 month. 1 month.
I
I think 1 month.
yeah, 1 month.
So many.
This is real steel.
Okay.
And my dad is gonna help me to build this because this is too much for me. If my mom can do that, or then she is okay, she can help